Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and format content using the Rich Content Editor in Canvas. This tool allows you to format text, insert images, and enhance your course materials. First, navigate to Pages in the course menu, then click View All Pages. Click Plus Page to create a new page. Enter a title that clearly describes the content. In the editor, you'll see a formatting toolbar similar to word processing software. Here, you can format text, add links, and embed media. To insert an image, click the image icon. Upload a file and add alternative text for accessibility. Once you formatted your content, click Save and Publish to make it visible to students. And that's how you use the Rich Content Editor in Canvas. This tool makes it easy to create engaging and accessible course content. Thank you for watching.